Maxinescorner. You've done it again. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. Yes, happy holidays, guys. Happy holidays. I've put together a delicious recipe for you guys. This is like a chocolate bar, call it what you will. It is vegan and it's absolutely delicious, perfect as a gift and perfect for the entire family. Now here we have some vegan chocolate chips. We also have some mixed nuts here. I have a combination of cashew, almonds, pistachio, and pecans, but you can do whichever nuts that you like for this recipe. It's pretty much up to you. I have some coconut flakes here, and I have some coconut flakes that I pretty much just use some food coloring on, and I use the red and the green, of course, because it's the holidays. Guys, before I get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free, and hit the bell so you can get your what? Notifications. We are almost at 10,000, guys. Oh my god, I appreciate each and every one of you. We've been on this journey together, so let's get started. Here we have Ava.
Hi.
My helper, and she's going to add our coconut oil, and this is 1 tablespoon. Wait, I'll help you. Just get it out. Just put it inside of there. What I will do now is I am going to add my chocolate chips. I have the hot water underneath and it's been heating up, so that's exactly what you need, and it's just gonna melt out. As you may see, it's already melting. Okay, my healthy people, as you may see, it is pretty much melted. All right, so this is a perfect recipe. The kids could help you with it. It is perfect for the entire family. I'm gonna take this off this stovetop now and take it over and start to assemble. So let's go. So as you may see, I have my silicone mat and my cookie sheet, and everything is all ready.
Make sure you don't burn your hands.
Right. Okay, guys, so the reason why I let it cool is just so that I can work with it a little bit. So I'm going to take everything out, just scrape it all out. So once you scrape it all out, this is the easy part, Eve. You're going to spread it all around the mat. The kids could help you with this. Okay. Okay, guys, so once you spread your chocolate out, you could now start to assemble. It's up to you however you want to do it. I am going to add some of my mixed nuts all over, just like that.
And
whatever kind of nuts you want.
When you get what's it called again?
Coconut flakes.
Coconut flakes. You don't have to paint them this color. You can paint it any color.
Right. Yeah. Well, it's the food coloring, so they could make it any color they want. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press in some of this coconut flakes to make sure that it's in there. Okay. It's going to give it a nice festive color. Good job. Spread it. Like I said, guys, make it your own. Put whatever colors you want. These are nice holiday colors. It's perfect for the entire family. That's what we have right now. I am going to put this in the refrigerator for a few hours, like 1 or 2 hours, just for it to harden up, and then I'll be back. Here we are, an hour later in the refrigerator. Look at this. You just break it up just like that. Don't be afraid. Take it and break it. Take it and break it. Pick it up. Look at that. This is what I love about this silicone mat. So easy to get everything up. So simple. So easy. Look at that. And then you just break it apart. However you want to break it. It's pretty much up to you. And you're going to break it apart. Look at that. And what I love about this is that you can give it as a gift. It's perfect. Let me just give this a taste. Oh my God, guys. You don't know how delicious this is right now. So delicious. So yummy. Oh my God. I'm telling you. Maxinescorner. You've done it again. The chocolate, the coconut flakes. I have to eat that piece. I can eat this whole thing. I'm gonna have to stop myself. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look how delicious that looks. Absolutely delicious. It tastes so good. I'm gonna say it. Maxinescorner, you've done it again. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. That's it, guys. Make this for your family. Have it out as a spread. Everyone will love it. No one will be disappointed. Trust me. They won't even know it's vegan chocolate. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxinescorner today. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely what? Free. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. And say it with me. Stay healthy.